morning. Yes, today I'm taking you down to our set where we are going to cook you know, this soup is the fisherman soup. It's a fisherman soup, all fisherman, you know, food. We have vegetable, okra, and other fisherman stuff. So right now, this is one of the, this is what I have there. This is shrimps. What I want to do now, I want to, you know, peel it and wash it thoroughly. Some people use it with the shell, but I don't like it, so I want to remove it. Remove the shell, washed it before I steam it. So this is that before we go to snail and other fisherman stuff. So let me start with this one. All right.
Ooh, digging.
Okay, so I'm going to throw this one away. I don't know, I don't like eating it.
Mommy, what is that?
This is shrimps.
Shrimps?
Yes.
I like shrimps.
You like it? Oh,
yeah.
You will love it when I finish cooking it, okay?
I don't like shrimps.
You don't like shrimps?
It's very rough.
No. Tastes great. You will love it.
I do not love it. Mommy, let's run away!
Yeah, so this is how my people, so if you do not know how to, you know, wash your shrimps, this is how you would do it. But if you want to cook it with shell, is what you would do is to, you know, wash it only like 3 to 4 times, then you cook it just like this, nothing much. You can use knife and remove this, you know, these things. But if you don't want to, if you want to do it the way I'm doing it, it's very simple. You just use your hand, you know, remove the back side one after the other, and that's all. Then you can press the tail. You press it this way, press it down, then you drag this side off. Look at it. Very simple. All right, see you. Let me, you know.
Okay. When you finish, you give it to Sarah.
One is cow skin. You may do it back. It is come and get boy feeling. I'm feeling cocoa. So, if you can get me, you may do some feeling. Like I'm going to wash it and make it very clean. It's very dirty, so I'm using iron sponge to scrub the inside so that there will be no sand and dirt. Okay, look at how clean it is. I will have to wash it like so many times. I don't care how many times it will be, so far it's clean, you know. That is it. So when you want to do your own, when you want to cook your own fisherman soup using okra and vegetable, you have to, wow. So don't mind me, I'm in the village. So this is village food. This is my native food, native soup. This soup is going to be 1 in a million. I'm telling you, you will love it. Just follow me. You know, I'm going to show you how to do it, to make this soup step by step without missing anything. You use iron sponge and scrub it. Sorry. What are you doing, young woman? You want to wash